Introducing the Kokido Voltera 105, the heavy-duty cordless vacuum built for all types of pulls. With 75 minutes of uninterrupted power and a 6.5-litre capacity, you can cover large amounts of debris, from leaves to sand to fine dust, without frequent stops. Equipped with 3 filter bags, the Voltera 105 ensures efficient cleaning for every type of debris, leaving your pool crystal clear. And for those tight, tricky spaces, removable extensions make sure nothing gets left behind. The Kokido Voltera 105, where efficiency meets effortless pool care.